The filter function is one of the most powerful functions in Google Sheets, and learning it will give your spreadsheets that next level edge. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it with 4 examples from easy to hard, plus a bonus example that'll blow your mind. First up, we have a table with some car data, and we want to get a list of all the cars with a make of Honda. Luckily, the filter function makes this really easy to do. Just enter the function, and for the first argument, you always select the dataset that you want to potentially get back. If you want all 4 columns, you select all of them. If you just want the makes and models though, you just select those. For the second argument, you select the column that you want to filter by. In this case, we want to filter by a specific make, so we select the make column. Now, we only want the data where the make is equal to Honda, so we add an equals and select the cell containing the value that we want to filter by, which in this case is Honda. Then close parentheses, press enter, and we get back only those records where the make is equal to Honda. And if we change Honda to something else, the formula updates to give us the new result. But what happens if you try to filter by a value that's not in the data? Well, you'll get an error that looks like this. And the best way to handle this is by wrapping the filter function inside of the ifNA function. And then, for the second argument of the ifNA function, enter a message in quotes like no results. And now, instead of an error, you simply get back no results. Moving on to level 2, our goal this time is to filter the data by a specific make and a specific fuel type. So we want to filter by multiple criteria. Just like before, you start with the filter function and select the data that you want to potentially get back. Then for the second argument, select the first column that you want to test, enter equals, and then the filter value. Now we also want to filter by fuel type as well. So we add another argument, select the column we want to test, enter equals, and select the value. Then close parentheses and press enter. And as you can see, we get back only those records where the make is Honda and the fuel type is hybrid. And if we change one or both of the values, the results update and change accordingly. But what if we want back data where either condition is true? In other words, the make is Honda or the fuel type is hybrid. Well, that brings us to level 3. To filter your data by multiple criteria with OR logic instead of AND logic, meaning just one of the criteria has to match, here's what you do. Instead of multiple arguments like this, wrap each test in a set of parentheses. Then, in between, you put a plus sign. As a result, you get back records where the make is Honda or the fuel type is hybrid, or both. So for AND logic, you make each test a separate argument. For OR logic, you put each test in parentheses and put a plus sign in between them. Before we move on to level 4, if you like my teaching style and you really want to level up your Google Sheets skills, then I highly recommend you check out my Better Google Sheets community, which I've linked in the description. It's the place you want to be because you have access to on-demand training, high-quality practice problems, and plenty of real-world projects. Not to mention a community of students just like you who want to learn more, level up, and get really good with Sheets. Plus, you can post questions, message me directly, and even chat with me on live calls so that I can do my best to help you in any way that I can. I'd love to have you join so I can meet you and get to know you. That being said, let's move on to level 4. Filtering your data by both AND OR criteria. Specifically, we want back data where the make is either Honda or Toyota, and the total miles are less than 50,000. How do we do it? We just apply what we've learned so far. Enter the filter function and select the data. Then, for the second argument, we want to check that the make is either Honda or Toyota. So open parentheses, select the make column equals Honda, close parentheses, plus sign, open parentheses, select the make column again, equals Toyota, close parentheses. Okay, that's it for the OR logic, either Honda or Toyota. Now for the last test. Since it's either Honda or Toyota and less than 50,000 miles, we move to the next argument for the AND logic. Select the total miles column, less than sign, select the value, close parentheses, and we're done with the formula. As you can see, we get back data where the make is either Honda or Toyota, and the total miles are less than 50,000. And of course, updating any of these criteria changes the data displayed below. Now, what's this final level that will just blow your mind? What do you do if you want back specific columns in a very specific order? For example, what if you want the fuel type, make, and total miles? What do you do? Well, you wrap the filter function inside of the choose columns function. Then, for the arguments at the end, you enter the numbers for the columns you want back. We want fuel type, make, and total miles. So that's the third column, the first column, and the fourth column. Then, when you press enter, you get back the data columns in the order that you want them. And believe it or not, you can also use the filter function to create a search bar like Google to, search through your data. And if you want to learn that, then watch this video next to see exactly how it works.